Want to know how to share Instagram posts to Threads? Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from Take My Life and today I'll walk you through the process of how to share Instagram post in Threads app. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. Firstly, open the Instagram app on your screen. Now select any post you want to share on Threads app. Then tap on the share icon on your screen. Here you can see the Threads icon. Tap on it. Furthermore, you can write something about the post before sharing it to the Threads. Finally, tap on the post option at the bottom right corner of your screen. So this is how you can share Instagram post on Threads. Thank you for watching Take My Life. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.